Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna start stack in Python. So before we begin, I'm asking you one question. What is the time complexity to search the element n from the list L? I'll give you the answer at the end of the session. If you know the answer, please mention in the comment box. Let's begin the topic. Stack. What is stack? So it's a data structure that holds the list of elements. So stack is a way of organizing data in a particular manner, which is called it as last in first out manner. Means the last element is placed to be retrieved first, or first element to be placed which will be retrieved last. Okay, so stack, we can use the list method for easier implementation. Okay, so the example of the stacks are like this: books and the stack of plates. Blue color book is placed the last and will be retrieved first, and in the bottom one, which is the brown color cover book, is placed first, which will be retrieved last. Okay, same with the stack of plates. So next of stack, I have mentioned some, but there are lots of application of these stacks. The first one is reverse a number or reverse a word. Second is undo mechanism in text editor. Third one is syntax parsing, which is used in the compiler using stack. Fourth is function call. For every function call creates its own stack to perform the set of tasks. The fifth is expression conversion. Okay, now next, there are two main operations of stack: push and pop. Push means inserting the element into stack, and pop means deleting the element from stack. To show the operation of push and pop, so there are some steps. So first, the 1 is already in the stack, and if you want to push 2, so this 2 is placed above the 1. So after pushing 2, so stack will be, position will be, top of the element is 2 and below 2 there is 1. If you want to push 3, similarly top of the 2 is 3. Okay, so 3 is placed above the 2. If you want to push 4, then 4 is placed above the 3. So after pushing 6, the top of the stack element will be 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after that, if you perform pop operation, so pop will delete the top most element of the stack, and topmost element of the stack in the fifth step is 6. So in the sixth step, we are deleting 6. Similarly, if you are performing again pop operation, that will delete the top element. So after deleting 6, the top of the element of the stack is 5. So it will delete 5, and then 4, then 3, then 2. Okay. So these are the operations of push and pop. So using list as in stack, there are 5 main operations we can perform on the stack, which are insertion, deletion, traversal, searching, and sorting. And these are the list functions which help us to make implementation of stack easier, right? So by using append function, we can insert the element in stack. By using pop function, we can delete. Using loops, you can traverse the whole stack, and using loops or membership operator, you can check whether the element is present in the stack or not. And by using sort function, you can sort the elements of the stack. Okay, implementation of these functions. Here I am using Python 3 on Jupyter Notebook for the implementation. Start the implementing insertion operation. First I am taking the empty list n, L. This n represent the number of element that we want to insert in the L, and this value we are taking from user. So by executing this for loop with a range n, every iteration is used to take the input, and that input is appended in the list L. After executing the whole for loop, we are printing the whole list, which is L. So let's run this code. So I'm running. First it is asking for input n. So let's suppose I want to insert the 3 element. So I have entered 3. Now in the first iteration, it is asking for a first input. So I'm entering 1 element. My first element is 1. My second element is, let's suppose, 8, and my third element is 5. Okay, so I have entered 3 elements, which is n. So after that, it will print the whole list, which is 1, 8, 5. Okay, so this is the insertion operation. Operation is deletion operation. In this I have taken one list which is holding 1 2 3 4 5 elements. Okay, now I am taking the input number from user. This n represent the how many elements you want to delete. Okay, so for executing this loop, n times represent the n elements we want to pop from list L. Here I am using pop function to delete the element. Okay, after executing this for loop I am printing the whole list L. Okay, so let's run the code. Now initially we have 5 elements, and let's suppose I am entering n value as 2. 2 means I am deleting 2. Pop function will execute 2 times. Okay, so after deleting 2 elements, so 5 will delete first and next element 4 will delete. Okay, so left elements will be 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 is the L. Okay, so operation is traversing. Traversing means accessing each element from the list. So here I am taking again one list L which is holding 1 2 3 4 5 elements. So for executing for I in L, every time we are picking the element from L by using membership operator, and we are printing using print function. Okay, so if I run this code, so it will print 1 2 3 4 5. Right, operation is searching. So for searching we have already one list which is L, which is holding the 5 string A B C D. Okay, now this n variable represent the string which we want to search in list L, and this string we are taking from user. Okay, so here I am checking if n in L. Here by using membership operator in, I am checking whether n, which is the user entered string, is present in the L or not. If it is present, then element is found will be printed. Otherwise, element not found will be printed. The code. Okay, now input the n value. Let's suppose I am entering A, and A is already present in the list. Okay, so the output should be element found. So after entering A, element found is printed. Again I am running this code and I am entering T. T is not present in the list, so it will print element not found. Okay, now next last operation is sorting. So here I am taking one list L which is holding 5 2 3 1 8 2 3. Okay, in random order. So after this I am using the sort function L dot sort, and after sorting the element I am printing the list. So this will print the ascending order list. Right, so these are the operations that we have covered in the stack data structure. I have asked one question: what is the time complexity to search the element n from the list? So the answer is, to search the element n from list L, we need to check every element is equal to n or not. Right, so the worst case time complexity of this will be order of n. So this is the correct answer, and the best case time complexity will be order of 1. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.